Hey everyone, Chris the Thrift Shop Hustler. Today we have an update to the send offers to your watchers via eBay. It's really easy to do. There's a little bit of kind of quirkiness with it, but we're going to get into it right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Chris the Thrift Shop Hustler here. I did a video about a couple months ago how you can send best offers to your eBay item watchers. I'll leave a video link up there. Definitely pause the video now. Check that out if you don't know what I'm talking about. It's a good refresher. There is an update to everything, and we're going to get into it just right now. Now, there's an easier way to do this. And for those that don't know, a quick refresher, you can send offers to your watchers. It's basically like a reverse best offer where instead of the buyer or the potential buyer sends you a best offer and you either accept it, decline it, or send them a counter offer, now you as a seller could send offers to your watchers. Now you have to have one or more watchers on your item. I know that sounds very obvious to most people, but there were a couple comments in the last video I did about that where they were like, you have to have a watcher to send a best offer. No kidding. I'm telling you right now, that's for sure. So you have to have watchers. And if you don't know if you have watchers, you can go to your items list, your active items. You can scroll down and see on the side that how many watchers you have. Some of you might have clicked that off, so you'll have to go in the customization tool and select that as to be a column for you to see your watchers. Now, there was a convoluted way to do this last time, as you can see the video that we're watching now, which will be linked below, and you can see the link that I posted before. You had to post in this long string of HTML, not HTML, a URL, and then at the very end where the question marks here, you had to put in your item number, press enter, go to that particular page, and then send an offer through there. Now there's an easier way to do it with one simple link. Now there's a little bit of weirdness to it, and we're going to get into all that right now. But once again, click the like button if you're enjoying this kind of information. I really appreciate it. That helps the algorithm out. So definitely click the like button. We're going to get into a new way of doing this, which is easier, but there's a little craziness that's involved. So let's go take a look at that right now. The link is going to be www.ebay.com/mize/overview, and I'm going to put a link down below for that. I'll also put a link right here across the board, and you can check that out. Now, this brings you to my selling overview, and if you scroll down a little bit, it'll say send offers to buyers. Now, here's the weird part. It only shows you 5 auctions, or 5 listings, I should say. So it doesn't show all the listings. Now, this is one of the things that I have a problem with personally. I wish that they were able to show all the listings that have all watchers on it, but they only give you a default 5. Let's say, but here's the thing that I don't like. What if any of these 5 you don't want to send offers to? You can't refresh it and it brings new ones up. It keeps these same 5. So you have to literally go in, send the offer, and then come back and refresh to see if there's another offer that comes live. So that's one of the things I have a problem with. So you have to literally do the old way if you want to manually go through each auction listing. This way is it's easier this way. But what I'm saying is if you have all 5 of the things that you really don't want to send a best offer on, you're kind of stuck. So we'll show you actually right now if we wanted to send an offer for this ring right here. Now, as we can see, your offer sends 2 to interested buyers. For $110 is what we have the listing for. So now if we say, let's just keep this simple. We'll go $90, right? You can leave a message and we'll send the offer to buyers. Now it's going to send this $90 offer to those 2 potential watchers. So now if we go back to my eBay overview, as we can see here, if we go back down, now that ring is gone. And another thing took its place, which is, I think, this Atlas China pot. So you have to literally do these through all 5 of your things to refresh new offers. You have to revert to the old way in the previous video to do individual items. So this is my kind of caveat. This is the problem that I have right now, is I wish eBay had this for all your auctions or all your listings that have watchers. But now it only defaults to 5. And you literally got to go and pick and choose. And there's been times on some other accounts that I have that there's the 5 offers. I don't want to send any offers to those, and you're stuck. You have to literally go through one to refresh another one when you go back. So it's a little crazy, but this might work for you. It doesn't really work well for me. It does work well from time to time, and every couple of hours when I'm doing my eBay work, I'll go and look to see which ones they are, and they do refresh out from time to time. I want to say it's like 24 hours, so it's a little crazy, but it is a simpler way to send best offers to your watchers. Like I said, I've been doing the old way, but you might find it easier to do it this way. I'll leave a link to the URL below. This link will work for everyone as long as you're signed into your account. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share. Let me know if this works for you. I really appreciate all the watchers and all the comments from the last video we did. So I really appreciate that, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
What you know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What you knowin' about wearing a bird box skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's. Your granddad, we're donating that.